Welcome to the Repair channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to go back to your default or original theme in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen, and at the bottom you can see themes option. Then just tap on themes, then tap on menu, then tap on my stuff. On the my stuff option you can find your default or original theme. If you want to set this default theme, just tap here, then tap on apply, and you can see it's applying, so just give it a moment. And that's it, you can see you have successfully changed theme in your phone. Also, if you want to delete your downloaded theme, just go to same settings again, then tap on this delete icon, then just select it, then tap on delete all, and it's deleted successfully. You cannot delete your default or original theme, but you can delete only downloaded theme. And that is how you can go back to your default or original theme in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.